Hi guys, I wanted to share the results of my summer project with you. It's a peer-to-peer social networking application called Magna. So you can think about it as a mix of Facebook, email and BitTorrent. I did it because I'm concerned with privacy, and Facebook is not great at that, and Magna is completely secure and everything is encrypted. But most importantly, I made it because I always wanted to share music with my friends easily. And right now you can use Spotify, but that gets you only the stream, not the file, or Rabbit Share hot file, but that's a lot of hustle to get your head around with. So yeah, I did Magna, and in many ways it's similar to Diaspora, which is about to be released in 2 days from now. I'm not an IT man, and this is only a prototype, so it has many bugs. It doesn't look great, and it's missing a lot of features. Yeah, I'm taking a whipping right now. But I do hope you'll enjoy it, and please give me some feedback. We're now going to start Magna server, which is a hub that unites and connects the users, and a user can have any number of hubs, and usually a hub represents a group of friends that you're connecting to, for example your workmates or your classmates. We're going to run Jeff now. This is one of the clients that I've set up, one of the identities that I've created for the purpose of this demonstration. The other one is Tony, and we're going to run Tony in just a minute. Right now you can see Jeff's friend list. There is Jeff and there's Tony. You can add a new friend by IP only. This is not too this is very prototypical, so I'm not going to show it. You have a wall just like in Facebook, but it's empty right now, and you have shares where you can add any kind of media to a user and share it. So this is what we're going to do right now. We're going to add a folder. There you go. Now we're going to add another one. The white stripes elephant. There we go. We need to close this window and add the last share. Great. This is now computing an MD5 checksum of each file, a unique identifier for a file. We have it now. When you right click on a share, you can delete it or send it to a friend. So we're going to send it to a friend. We select Tony. Tony is not online right now, but as soon as he gets online, the thing will be sent to him. We also select to compress the file. This is now compressing into a zip file that will be sent over to Tony. It's gonna take a minute or two. It's running, it's compressing, and it's compressing, and it's compressing. The zip file will be sent to Tony and extracted automatically, and it's stored in a temporary space of Jeff, so that when you click next time and select to send it over, it's gonna be, the compressing stage is gonna be already done. So there you go. There you see the file in a temporary space. That's the album. Now Tony's downloads is empty. We're gonna run Tony, and Tony's gonna accept the transmission from Jeff and receive the album. So we're running Tony now. This is gonna take a minute again. We're gonna resize Jeff to make Tony fit in. There you go. You see a manifest, the list of files you're receiving, from who you're receiving them. The transmission will be encrypted, so nobody's able to see what was sent between the users. And you see a progress bar here. The transmission is progressing. Now I'm playing with the profile pictures. I'm setting up a profile picture for Tony. We can also edit Tony's profile. This is very rudimentary, and it's sure to get improved in as the development of the application moves on. The transmission is gonna take a while, so why don't we try the chat? You can right click on a friend and say add him to a chat. There you go. You have two chat windows, one for Jeff and one for Tony. The chat is encrypted. So nobody can see what you're writing, and nobody apart from Jeff and Tony know or have nobody has access to the kind of things they're sending between each other. So let's say just hi man, all good, bow, and and Jeff gets the message. Now you send a reply. Yep, I just sent you something you might wanna have a look at. And now something is gonna go wrong with the screencast, so don't worry about it. The chat is working. It's just something got wrong with the screencast, and it didn't record what was happening on my desktop. Right. The transmission is over. Tony received the album, hopefully. Yeah, there it is, in the downloads directory. You got all the files. Now, Magna, I know it doesn't look terribly beautiful, but I'm not a designer, and I'm not an IT or a computer science student either. So this was just a very amateurish kind of thing. And I hope to add new features in the future. Thank you for watching.